Hello everyone, welcome back to Rare Chem Official. Today we are going to discuss about hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bond is a weak electrostatic force present between positively charged hydrogen atom of a polar molecule and highly electronegative atom of carrying negative charge. These are the two HF molecules. Fluorine has more electronegative atom. It pulls electrons towards fluorine. It will get partial negative charge. This will get partial positive charge. This is other HF molecule, means when gets polarized, hydrogen connected by two electronegative atoms, one by covalent bond, other by hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond is denoted by dotted lines. The size of electronegative atom should be small. Fluorine, oxygen and nitrogen can form hydrogen bond with hydrogen, and these small atoms has high negativity, and chlorine also has high electronegative atom negativity, but it doesn't form hydrogen bond because it is large size. Hydrogen bond connected by two electronegative atoms. One is A, other is B. One atom by hydrogen bond. The hydrogen is one by hydrogen bond, other by covalent bond. Covalent bond is more strong than hydrogen bond. Bond strength is directly proportional to electronegative atom of A and inversely proportional to electronegativity of atom B. Atom B is bonded by hydrogen bond with hydrogen, so it is inversely proportional to electronegativity of atom B. Here HF, here atom A and atom B are similar. In second one also oxygen are similar, nitrogen are similar. Atom A and atom B has similar electronegativity. See nitrogen, here nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. First atom A, fluorine has more electronegativity. Here A and B both are similar. So fluorine has more electronegativity. So this is the answer. In this one, oxygen, nitrogen, these atoms and atom A and atom B are different, but atom A, first we have to observe atom A electronegativity. First carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Atom A is nitrogen, oxygen. First oxygen has more electronegativity, right? So bond strength is directly proportional to electronegativity of atom A. Here oxygen has high electronegativity than nitrogen. So the in between 1 and B is the only answer. So this one we can cancel these two, and in between these two we have to observe oxygen, nitrogen. What we discussed, the second atom is connected by hydrogen bond, that is weaker bond. The bond strength is inversely proportional to atom B, means electronegativity of atom B, means bond strength is there inversely proportional to electronegativity of atom B, means here oxygen has more electronegativity, means we discussed what inversely proportional to electronegativity of atom B. Here nitrogen is less, bond strength is higher, means inversely proportional to atom B. Here nitrogen has less electronegativity, so this is the answer. First we have to observe atom A electronegativity, then we have to observe atom B. If both are similar, we have to select which one is higher electronegativity, that one we have to mark. But in two atoms are different, first atom we have to observe electronegativity, which one is higher electronegativity, that one first we have to select. First second atom electronegativity we have to choose, that less electronegativity atom of B we have to choose. Here less electronegativity of atom B is nitrogen. So this one is the answer. And hydrogen bonding is classified into two types: intramolecular hydrogen bonding, and second one is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This one is formed within the molecule. This is the orthonitrophenol, and it forms hydrogen bond between within the molecule. It has low melting and boiling points. For intermolecular hydrogen bonding has high melting and boiling points. And this intermolecular hydrogen bond developed between two molecules. This is the ferronitrophenol and other ferronitrophenol. In between two molecules hydrogen bond developed. Thank you for watching. That's all for today.